Obuyambo obu harimu okuyamba abariisa bariko bahereza ebintu ebirimu biogas, ishazo ry'okukamiramu ente, soora, okubegyesa okuriisa enkoko, empunu, okuhinga hamwe n'okubikira ente ebinyaatsi, okuhinga omwani hamwe n'okukozesa amasha nk'ekiriisa ky'ebihingwa.
Etine acids nagaruka abimikisinga n'amaizi afuhirire emiyembe mbwenu g'okufuhirira eki n'ekiriisa ky'amaani munonga kuraba otakuyihamu fibre orebe kyewaguma noogihamu egi ni maniwa ni gold okuteekako ni kakye munonga konka ekihango kiryaho.
Ekitongore kuruga France kimanyiwe nka ADA kiri kuyamba abariisa batandikire okukwatanisa mu kwetunguura. Ari kugamba n'abariisa kuruga mu district ezo, General Manager habwa Rushere Sacco nagira ngu ekigendererwa kyabo n'okureeba ngu bashemeza ensi.
Twenda kureeba ngu ihanga ryitu ryaguma riri green kandi okuba green mwesa mutuza kukora kuhereza obuhereza itu nka Sacco otweta smart green products. Smart green products ni products ezori kuba nohereza omuntu konka zitakushisha by'obuhanga. Harimu eje itu akwereka biogas because ninteekateeka ngu hati enkuto zagaga kuzitema hati ogwo omuti guzaguma.
Ogwo nagira ngu nibija kukuratira omuranga gwa mukuru w'ihanga okureeba ngu bashomesa abantu bagume batunga esente za buri izooba.
So tushemeye kureebaho value chain eryaha nte, eryaha rutookye, eryaha mwani biryo omuka yawo kureeba ngu buri izooba wataasya esente zikuruga omu mate, zikuruga omu rutookye, zikuruga omu mwani, zikuruga omu nkoko.
The carbohydrate, you need both. When you feed only this, the cow dung will not come in easy. It will be hard and the cow will say, when it is pushing. But when you feed only this, the cow dung will be running fast.
Tubombekeri kamera nko kumwareba umuferedi kugira ngo bakamera ahantu harungiho obuyonjo kandi n'amatega be ningi kandi gabonere. Twabongera imbekera biogas kugira ngo yambeho omu by'obuhangwa. Biogas neyamba abariisa bitu obutatema ebibera bakozesa entasya enshoho zanche yenku n'amakara icyo kibaretera entunguko mu maka gabo.
N'Urushere Sacco yagireyo kuyamba abariisa bamwe basemera omurimo gubatandikire abana nibagira ngo bakine obuzibu bw'amaani nk'ekyanda ibura ry'abakozi za tractor hamwe na n'ebindi.
Do banana plantation and coffee plantation but they have a serious challenge of drought.
When tukabaire nitushaba kutungayo nka irrigation obundi tukayongeraho kukora farming nyingi twatwine ebinyatsi
ora ebintu birungi obugore munonga kandi hamwanya muke icyo kureba nkazero grazing ente wasitemire ebinyatsi zikamera hihi zikarira hihi utari kugenda kuzoko nuko kutemba ubungo naki entejo kwe kuboneka amate yetibo kongera.
Abajungu aba baraganisa abariisa uko bari kwija kukomana bakwatanisa na Rushere Sacco okureba ngo batungura muhinji hamwe no muriisa yatunga entasya eri kumara.
Working with you directly and they are the one that knows and understand the needs of the organization in order to help the farmers and so that's why we are a bit after, so that's why also Denis is here today. Also you visit the organization already quite frequently, but he will gather the information and let us know at the right moment.
Smallholder farmers, which is actually the ultimate goal, and with the support of Rushere, Soluti, and us indirectly. So we are happy to contribute to this effort, and yeah, hopefully we can come back in some months or some years. I'm in Kampala, so maybe I might come back and see how things are moving in the future. So
ubwa hati Rushere Sacco yahise dayari 10 ezeri kuhereza abariisa muri Ibanda kazo na Kiruhura nko muringo gumwe gwo kutungura omutindo gw'amate. Amakuru aga gashakwa kana Remensa muri Kiruhura.